Body Shred and Tone Challenge. This is a 3-week program that has a mix of bodyweight and weighted workouts. Find the full schedule and lots more on my app. Before we begin, shout out to today's sponsor, Sharks. They just released their brand new OpenFitAir, and I'll share more about them later. Now get ready and let's jump into the workout. We've got 19 exercises across 3 sets in this full body cardio workout. 30 to 40 seconds of exercise with 10 to 30 seconds of rest in between. You can find the full workout schedule on my new app on both the Apple and Google Play stores. Now let's start the workout with high knee toe tap. Start by doing some high knees, lifting your knees up to your hips level, then tapping your foot with the opposite hand one at a time. There's no jumping and low impact alternatives for most exercises, so follow the alternatives if you're just starting out or if you prefer no jumping. Nice work, 10 seconds rest now and we'll move on to shuffle double crunch. Shuffle to one side and bring your knee towards your chest twice. Then shuffle to the other side and repeat.
Growing up with this shit, every day I wanna die, this little broken kid. Ain't a dollar to my name, the problems in my brain. Now I'm falling to my knees with the trigger in my hand. I wanna die, but it's never that easy. Chase the money and the fame.
Rest up and jumping lunge tap is next.
And I fight and I scream, but I'm on my fucking own. Ain't nobody to hear me. I've been dying.
Bring one leg behind and lunge, then lift your front foot up and bring your hands under your thigh and tap and repeat. For low impact, just do regular lunges.
And I've been crawling out the gutter since I was a kid. I feel the problems go away when I take a sip. I've been running from the demons, but they closing in. I'm gonna
Great work guys, rest again and we'll move on to the other side. Just 3 more exercises after this and we'll be done with the first set. Take it slow if you need to, go at your own pace.
Since I was a kid, I feel the problems go away when I take a sip. I've been running from the demons, but they closing in. I'm gonna scream.
I know it's a little bit too much for sure. So cold, but we're always coming back for more. It goes in this wicked.
Rest and recover, twist jump is next. Jump and twist your low body to one side and upper body to the other. For low impact, you have your hands behind your head, elbows bent, and knee crunch up towards opposite elbows. Great job guys, lateral lunge with reverse lunges are next. Bring one leg to the side and lunge and tap, then bring the same leg behind you and lunge.
Explode every time you go and slam the door. Up on the floor, we know how to push the buttons to the core. I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered mind.
10 seconds rest again and we'll work the other side. Final exercise of the set. Keep going guys, longer rest after this.
Just wanna stay close, don't take part. Ain't gonna leave ya. Sabotage. You're a million.
And that's set 1. Pause the video here if you need a longer rest. While we're on a break, a quick share of the new OpenFitAir earbuds from Sharks. I'm wearing them in this workout and I found them really comfortable to wear with excellent premium sound quality. These earbuds have an open ear design, which means they securely fold over your ears, and they held in place perfectly during my workout even when I was doing jumping exercises like burpees. What's great about the open ear design is that it allows you to have situation awareness of everything around you. So if you're wearing this while you're out on a walk or run, it's a lot safer being able to hear your surroundings. The OpenFitAir just released, so check them out in the links in the description below. Now let's get ready to start the second set. Get on the mat and we have mountain climbers.
2, 3,
Bring one leg in at a time as fast as you can. Great job guys, burpees lunge is next. Get into a high plank, then jump both legs in, and then get up and do a lunge. For low impact, just take it nice and slow without the jumps. Great work guys, if you went hard on those burpees, a bit of recovery next with slow high knees. Just take it nice and slow, and if you want it harder, just do regular high knees. We're halfway through the workout guys, so keep pushing yourself and make sure you reach the end of the workout. Rest and recover guys, tuck jump and squat is next. Just 3 more exercises to end the second set. Get into a squat then jump up into a tuck jump. Try to land softly then do a squat and repeat. For low impact, just do regular squats. Remember, it's totally fine to swap between the high and low impact whenever you need to. Ten seconds rest once again and butt kicks are next. Just go nice and slow without the hops for low impact, or if you're starting to feel tired, just don't give up. final exercise of the set, rest and squat front kick, is coming up. Squat down low and then kick your leg forward as you get up and repeat.
Yeah.
Nice work everyone, that's set 2. Feel free to pause the video here if you need a longer rest. Right, let's get ready to start the final set. Stand upright and get ready for high knee toe tap. Bring your knees up to your hips level and then lift your legs in front of you and touch your toes. Ten seconds rest now. Power jacks is next. Just 4 more exercises and you'll be done with the workout. Keep pushing through, guys. Squat down low and then jump up high, lifting your arms up and legs spread apart. Then land softly and repeat. Great work, rest up and reverse lunge is next. Bring one leg behind you and lunge, and make sure your front knee doesn't pass your toes. Ten seconds rest once again. You're doing great, not long to go. Toe tap is coming up. Lift your foot and touch with your opposite hand and repeat. Catch your breath guys, we've got squat jump to squats coming up, so make sure you give this all you got, just 2 more exercises to go. Get into a squat and jump. Try to land softly and do a squat and then repeat. It's totally fine if you need to slow down, and for low impact just do a squat and toe tap. Alright, nice work guys. Let's finish the workout with lateral tap. Place your feet wide apart and touch the opposite foot with your hand. And that's the workout guys, great job on reaching the end. If you haven't checked out my new app, please click the links in the description, drop me a comment down below on how you went, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!